ghost from a wishing well, in a castle dark or a fortress strong, with chains upon my feet. You know the ghost is me. I never will be set free. As long as I'm a ghost, you can't see. If I could read your mind, Lord, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind the drugstore sell. When you reach the part where the heartache comes, the hero would be me. Heroes often fail. You won't read that book again, because the ending's just too hard to take.